see real instruments. Whoa! A real rock star.
Every rock band needs instruments. I can help you make some.
Yes, yes. Let's build our own band. Yes, let's build our own band.
First, a guitar for our lead guitarist. Oh.
Plink, plonk. Plink, work. It works.
And for our drummer, a super drum set.
Boom, boom, boom.
And every singer needs a microphone.
Our very own microphone.
Okay, learn pop rockers. Are you ready to practice?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it. You've got the beat.
Look, we have an audience.
Ladies and gentlemen and stuffed animals, are you ready to rock? Give it up for the Learn Pop Rockers.
Hello, everybody, clap your hands. Stomp your feet and dance. Thank you! We had so much fun! Subscribe to catch our next concert. Rock on and bye-bye!